Today, we're in downtown Montreal to present an oversized stormwater network project carried out by Sevico. The objective was to install a rainwater retention network capable of handling a large volume of water while adapting to limited space constraints. Our team recommended 71-inch diameter KUSTOMFLO pipes equipped with double bell with integrated gasket clips for 15 psi water tightness. These high-density polyethylene pipes proved to be the best solution for the city's requirements. The pipes are made to measure and available in very large diameters. They feature unique customization with options for wall thickness, rigidity, and joint type. Another advantage of using these pipes is that river networks can be optimized by including chimneys on pipes, thus eliminating bulky manholes and sumps requiring cranes or very large lifting equipment. KUSTOMFLO HDPE pipe proved to be the ideal choice for the Montreal City Hall restoration project. Its adaptability, durability, and ease of installation enabled us to effectively meet the project's requirements while offering a sustainable solution for stormwater management. At Soleno, we're committed to providing innovative infrastructure solutions that stand the test of time. For all your future stormwater management projects, ask about Soleno's KUSTOMFLO pipe.